So I'm Percy Shroff. We're living in Magnolias in Gurgaon for quite some time now. But the biggest problem that we faced in Gurgaon especially, and I think in many cities in India, is the level of pollution and the high PM 2.5, PM 10, and the air quality has been really poor, and seems like nothing has really been done about it. So we were looking for some solution for this. And Earth, in my view, it's an efficient system, it's an affordable system, and the quality of air within our rooms and in the house has been really, really good. So PM 2.5 levels have, because I take my monitor and I go to different rooms and I usually check it as well. And PM 10 of 17, which I think is actually very good. And I don't know what the levels were when we had the air purifiers in the individual rooms, but I don't think it was anywhere near what we have today. So I think we're quite happy with the whole system that Earth has installed at our home, and we've been very happy with this. And I think it's not only affordable, efficient, but I think the team that Ravi, you've set together has been really very. They explained. I think the first thing was that you explained everything very well, and you sat with us. As compared to somebody else who will just send you a quotation and maybe talk to you on the phone or maybe come for a short time. I think Ravi spent maybe over an hour with me and my wife the first time. We're explaining everything, showing us everything, and what they have done is something that I would like to also help them to go further with their business. I heard of Earth through another friend in Magnolias who had installed it before me. And we were almost going to go with somebody else, one of the other companies, but then when we heard about it, and I called Ravi, and immediately he came over and explained everything. I said, this is what we would like. You know, it's very good, and from what I understand, it's been done with Indian Institute of Sciences in Bangalore. So I think all that put together, you've come up with a good system. So what you've done, I think, is quite unique, and I think it's a good system, and again, it's more affordable. And you can install it also in your air conditioned, like what you call split units. So it's ideal for many homes, offices, in India. I would say you are 10, but normally I never rate anybody on 10. I'll always say 9 because there's always room for some more improvement somewhere along the way. But overall, it's a very good system, so there's no complaints so far. Earth, your AC, clean air, non-stop.